In this video, we can talk about top 5 Klaviyo alternatives and competitors. Unravel the secrets of email marketing success. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Klaviyo alternatives. Get ready to explore top 5 alternatives of Klaviyo, which are GetResponse, Brevo, MailerLite, Omnisend, and ConstantContact. You can discover their unique features, hidden gems, and little-known facts that will transform your email campaigns. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or business owner, this video is your ticket to better your email marketing strategy. The first alternative we have is GetResponse. GetResponse stands out as a versatile email marketing platform that empowers businesses of all sizes with its comprehensive suite of features and user-friendly interface. Some of its exclusive features are marketing automation, website builder, and SMS marketing. From seamless campaign management to advanced segmentation options, GetResponse provides a powerful toolkit for creating personalized email experiences that drive conversions. Its standout feature lies in its comprehensive marketing automation capabilities, enabling businesses to nurture leads and drive conversions effectively. The second one on our list is Brevo. Brevo is an all-in-one marketing automation solution that combines email marketing, SMS marketing, and marketing automation tools. It offers features like deal pipelines, SMS marketing, email marketing, and WhatsApp campaigns. With its intuitive interface and powerful automation features, Brevo makes it easy for you to design visually appealing emails and target specific customer segments. The standout feature of Brevo is its easy-to-use marketing automation, empowering businesses to deliver targeted messages at the right time through multiple channels. Next up, we have MailerLite. Designed for small businesses and entrepreneurs, MailerLite is a user-friendly email marketing tool with an array of features. Some of its key features like email verifier automation, newsletter editors, and website builder. MailerLite also offers powerful automation workflows, allowing you to send targeted messages based on subscriber behavior. MailerLite's standout feature is its affordable pricing structure, making it an excellent choice for small businesses and startups looking for cost-effective email marketing solutions. The fourth alternative is Omnisend. Designed specifically for e-commerce businesses, Omnisend brings a unique focus on driving sales through email marketing. It offers features like segmentation, web push notifications, and automation splits. With its tailored automation workflows and dynamic email content capabilities, Omnisend empowers online retailers to deliver personalized product recommendations and increase conversions effectively. Its standout feature is its dynamic email content capabilities, allowing businesses to include personalized product recommendations and other dynamic elements in their emails, resulting in higher engagement and conversion rates. Lastly, we have ConstantContact. ConstantContact is an all-in-one email marketing platform suitable for small businesses and nonprofits. It offers a range of features like marketing automation, SMS marketing, customizable forms, and email monitoring. With ConstantContact, you can track your email campaign's performance through detailed reports, manage contacts, and engage with your audience on social media. One of the standout features of ConstantContact is its extensive library of resources, including webinars, guides, and marketing tips, offering valuable educational materials for users. Compared to Klaviyo, GetResponse offers a built-in webinar platform, allowing businesses to host and promote webinars directly from the same platform, making it a versatile all-in-one solution. Brevo distinguishes itself by offering integrated SMS marketing features, providing businesses with the ability to reach and engage their audience through text messages as well. MailerLite offers a free plan that allows businesses to send up to 12,000 emails per month to a subscriber base of up to 1,000, making it an attractive option for cost-conscious startups and small businesses. Omnisend allows businesses to include personalized product recommendations and other dynamic elements in their emails, helping to create more engaging email experiences for subscribers. ConstantContact comes with valuable educational materials that provide users with insights, best practices, and actionable advice to enhance your email marketing strategies. Among the 5 alternatives Klaviyo mentioned, we would recommend Omnisend as the best alternative. What sets Omnisend apart is its strong focus on catering to the needs of e-commerce businesses. Omnisend seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce, making it a seamless and efficient solution for businesses operating in the e-commerce space. With its dynamic email content capabilities, Omnisend enables businesses to deliver personalized product recommendations and other dynamic elements, resulting in higher engagement and increased sales. As we conclude this discussion on the best alternatives to Klaviyo, we hope you gain valuable insights into the diverse options available for your email marketing needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.